trading this purse poppet. Going once, going twice, going thrice. Oh, me. Okay, what do you want to offer? I'll offer this thing. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Add. Okay. I'll add my mini electric thinking putty. I think I'll accept this. Not so fast. Add. Final add. I'll add my solving cube. Okay. But I don't think I'm gonna accept, so I need to add for you to add. I'll add my unicorn squishy. Okay, good offer. I'll accept. Not so fast. Add. What about this cat squishy? Sure. I'll accept. Add. This is way too much. This was like $10. This was like $100. So add. Fine. I'll add this, which was $25. Sorry, I messed up. This was $8 too. Well, not so fast. That's not a good offer. This is all my things. Here, let's make some ribs so we have things. Okay. You gotta add. That's barely anything. Add. Fine, I'll add all my fidgets. The rest of my fidgets. I have this gold squishy. And this blue putty in a container. Okay. I'll accept. I will accept. No, you gotta add all your fidgets now. Fine, I only have 2 more fidgets. I have this poppet. Has a good side and a bad side. And then I'll add my balloon DIY, my DIY fidget with marbles in it. I'll accept. Okay. Thanks for doing business with ya.